Be the envy of your friends in this 2008 Ford Territory.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, a CD stacker, side airbag, stability control, power mirrors.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.